Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone application, then go to the contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, tap on this camera icon here. You can pick one of these proposed avatars, you can select one from the gallery, you can open camera and take a picture right away. I'm just going to pick a picture from the gallery. Here you can adjust it, tap done, and now save. And as you can see, the photo to contact added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.